How to do a Craigslist ad. Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video I'll simply guide you through the steps on how you can basically do a Craigslist ad, so make sure to watch the video till the very end. So if you want to create or do a Craigslist ad, all you have to do is simply go ahead and then open up Craigslist over here. Once you open up Craigslist, make sure you're signed into the account. Then once you're signed in, what you want to do is just tap the post option that you can find here. Once you tap on this post option over here, you can just select create posting option. Once you select create posting option, you'll be asked to enter titles or whatever else. So first of all, you can just select a photo over here, or you can just choose to skip it as well. So I'll just select allow access to all photos, and I'll just go ahead and select my product photo over here. Once I've done that, I'm going to tap the done button here. Then I'm just going to tap and continue. Then it'll ask me to enter the details about my product, so I'll also go ahead and enter the location as well. Then over here you can see what type of job posting is this or whatever else it is, whether it is job, whether it is community, whether it is service or for sale or whatever else you prefer. Just select those options respectively here in this case. Once you've selected the option, you can just go ahead and select all this option and enter the details as well as the categories. So let me go ahead and do that categories option. And then after I've followed all the on-screen instructions, I can make sure to enter a title, the price, the city or neighborhood, the description, the posting details or anything else in this case, and then tap on continue to successfully create a listing. This way I can do a Craigslist ad. Hope this video was very helpful, and if it did help you, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them down. Thank you very much for watching till the end of this tutorial, and see you soon in the next video.